Okay, so here's a paper. You're going to prepare some reports for the company. Using a suitable database package, import the file na products.csv. Okay, just making sure I'm video. So what do? We open Access, okay? You open Access, you go to File, New, put your name in there or whatever they tell you to do. They tell you to give it a file name, you give it a file name. I'm going to call mine that. Okay, yes. So you saved it. Can you see table 1 comes up there? Go right click, close it. So it's empty, okay? Now we've got to get this file. N8products.csv. Okay, it's not inside, it's external data. What's a CSV file? It's a text file. Okay, you got to go fetch it. You go and fetch it in your folder. Okay, mine's on my desktop. Okay, I'll just put it there quickly just to make it convenient. Go open. Okay, can you see? I've opened it. I go okay. There it is. It must be delimited. Go next. It's a comma separated file, so it must be comma. First row contains headings. Go next. Okay. You go advanced. Go to advanced. See the date order. Must be day, month, year. Remember that. Day, month, year. Go okay. Go next. Okay. No primary key. If they tell you to choose a primary key, it must be a unique primary key. If they wanted a primary key, it will be code, because that's going to be unique. Okay, so remember that. If they tell you to choose a primary key, it must be unique. It will be ID or code, student number, some sort of a number or a code, okay? But they don't want us to in this instance, so we'll go next, okay? So, next, and we go finish. Can you see that? That's our steps, and you go close. Okay, there it is. You click on it. Okay, there's your table. Have a quick look at it. Okay, have a quick look at it. Special is no, and is there any yeses? And yes. What is special? Must be Boolean. Okay, price will have to be currency more than likely. You can just look through here, and you can see what's going on quickly. Okay, so there it tells you. So you go to Home. Okay, click on Home. Go to View, Design View. There we go. There's Design View. Let's go for it. Category, text, text. Code, number. Product, text. Number, number. Price, can you see there? They told us. Price is currency. And you click on format again and you make it currency again. Okay? And it's 2 decimal places. Can you see what I've done? 2 decimal places. Can you see there? Currency, currency, 2 decimal places. Screenshot it. Okay, because you've made a change, you do a screenshot. Okay, every time you make a change, you do a screenshot, whether they tell you or not to, okay? You just go and do it. Okay, so you go there. There it is. Okay, can you see it? Grab it in that corner. Fix it up. There you go. Click on it. Make it bigger. So you can see what's going on. So that's your first one, okay? Remember to put your name in the header. Insert. Header. Put your name in. Can you see what I'm doing? Center number. Student number. Can you see there? Or if you forget that, it's not going to get marked. Okay. So there you go. Save it. File. Save as. And you're going to save it as your evidence document in your folder. Okay. Evidence. Every time you put something in that folder, you must save it. Okay. And desktop. And I'm just going to save it there for the time being. You're going to save it in your folder. Okay. So minimize it. And what's the next thing we do? Special is Boolean. All you do is special. Do that. Go down there. Don't press enter. Do a screenshot. Screenshot. Put it in your evidence. Go there. Go down. Control V. And format it. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? Formatted it. And there's your evidence of text special bean boolean. Okay. Remember, don't press enter. Okay. Save it. Just in case. Click. Keep on clicking on there. Go back here. Okay. So what's the next thing we must do? Make sure that if you use field names, you may add fields as a primary key field, and if a software requires this, okay? Take screenshots, train, all that. So, have you got it? We've taken screenshots with everything, okay? Okay. Insert the following 3 records. I'm not going to do it. You guys are going to do it, okay? It says you must first save the table. Yes. Yes. Okay, so there we are. They want you to insert 3 rows of data. You go to the bottom here. You basically type it in. Can you see T is a capital letter? Well, let me do this. I'll quickly do it. T. You guys have got to type it in. I'm lucky enough to have that. T, T, T. What's the next one? China. Is it China, China, China? So they're making it easy for you. China. I'm going to just do that. This, you can also do it. Go copy. Control V. Can you see I'm using capital letters? China, China, China. And what's it? 146. Can you see? 132 and 144. Lotus Blossom. How's it going to go? Lotus Blossom. You guys can copy it, paste, and find out if it's in there, or you must type it. I'm not wasting my time typing, or I'm just going to go there. Okay. Lotus Blossom. Oh, cook. What happened? What's the next one? Orange. Blossom. And what's the last one? China Rose. China Rose. Okay. What's it? 35, 49, 25. 35, 49, 25. What's the next one? 50, 50, 50. Okay, 50. This is quite easy. 50, 50. And it's 2.3. And 4.4. And 5. Oh, sorry. 2.3. And no. 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 Okay. You take a screenshot of this because you've added those 3 lines, okay? You make it big. Okay. Why did it do that? Okay. You take a screenshot of this. Okay. You put in your evidence. Go down to your evidence. There it is. Okay. Format. Crop. You know it's the last 3 lines. Make it bigger so that the marker can see what you did. Okay, there it is. Go to your page setup so it can get bigger, okay? So there you can see it, okay? Now you go back to your database. What else do they want in your database? Let's have a look. Okay. Check your data entry for errors. Save the data, okay? So you're going to go file, or you can just go and save it, okay? Just click on save. There's your save, okay? Because you already saved in your folder, and now you can save. It says produce a report from all the data which. What do? If you're going to do a report, you must do a query. Everything you must do a query first, okay? You go create. Can you see that? Query design. That's the first thing you do. You go add, okay? And you go close, and there it is. You click on the top one, hold down your shift key, you click on the bottom one, and just drag it in. Can you see there? And there it is. Shows only the records where the country is Colombia, or Guatemala, or Peru. Okay, so the country must be Colombia, or, remember, spell it correctly, otherwise it won't work. Or Peru. What else? Shows only the fields code, product, and price. Okay. Only the fields code, product, and price. They don't want special. You don't want that. Okay. Is sorted into ascending order of country. Okay. Where's country? There. There's ascending. Here we go. Okay. Now I'm going to divert a bit. Okay. What happens if they wanted a new field called cost? Okay. New field cost, which would be price. I'm just making something here. Price times price, or price plus 300. Okay. So new field called, okay, let's say profit. Okay. New field called profit, which is price plus 300. How would we do that? There's two ways of doing it. You right click, you go to build. It's a new field called profit, okay? So it's tables, and it's there. So they said they wanted price, so you double click on price, plus, so they wanted 300. Plus 300, and you delete it, okay? Delete that part. If it was price times, price times reorder, you would have said price times reorder. Price minus reorder, you double clicked on price, the minus sign, and reorder, and press OK. Taking away all the other stuff, okay? And there it is. You highlight expression 1, and you would call it profit. Can you see that? That's if they wanted a new field called profit and they told you the specs. You do it like that. Or you can do it just like that, and you can click on here, you can go price, there, price, okay, and you can do it with your keyboard, plus 300. I'm showing you both ways because sometimes it doesn't work one way, and you can do it the other way, okay, and so now there's a profit. Can you see that? You can do it both ways. Okay, I'm just showing you that. It's not in the paper, but I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, untick it because they don't want it. Okay, I mean, they didn't even ask for that. I just showed you how to do it. Okay, so it's sorted into ascending order of country. Okay, so that's quite cool. There's it. And we sorted in ascending order of country. Country, can you see the ascending? And we run it. And there it is. Can you see that? So now we create the report. So you go there, create. You go to this report here. And there it is. Save the query, yes. Query 1, okay. And then it'll do the report, okay. Make sure you're in layout view. There's your report. What did they say? As the title, copies from America, and so you put your title in there. from America. Okay, there you go. Okay, can you see that? Okay, if they wanted the total of this column to appear here, the total, okay? So now they wanted the total. All you got to do is click on the column heading, right click, go to total price. Can you see they got everything here? Sum, average, count, records, all this kind of stuff. If they wanted the total, you would have clicked on sum and the total would appear here. But they don't want it in here, so you don't need it, okay? So they didn't want it, so we unclick it, and the total will go away. It says save and print this report. So you go view, report view. That's what the report's going to be. You're going to save it, okay, and you're going to print it. Save. Okay, and then you're going to go file, and you're going to print. Okay. But there's something that you got to do. They haven't told you to do. Okay. So, go into view, go into design view, okay. Go into design view, and you go here. Capital A, highlight this box here. Can you see this box? Put a text box in there, and put your name in. Okay. If you don't do this, you're not going to get marked. Even if they don't tell you, you must realize everything that you print must have your name in it. If it hasn't got your name in it, you're in trouble. So, can you see that? They're making you think here. Remember that. Let's go and have a look. Report view. Is your name there? Yes. You'll get marks for that, and everything being right. Currency, 2 decimal places. Quite a lot of marks here. Okay. Next one. So remember, to do a report, you've got to do a query. Here's a new one. Produce a report. What do we have to do? We've got to create a query. So you got to create, query design, add, click on the top one, go down to the bottom, hold down shift, drag it in. Drag it in. There it is. What do they want? Contains a new field called cost. See, there we go. Okay. Contains a new field cost. I'm going to do the other way. Right click, bold. Okay, what do they want? Calculates the price multiplied by the reorder. The exact same thing I actually did last time. Okay, price multiplied by reorder. And remember what I said, from the exclamation mark, you take away. Delete that. So you've only got price multiplied by reorder. Okay, can you see that? Price multiplied by reorder. Can you see that? You go, okay. Highlight expression 1. And what must it be called? I think it's called cost. I nearly said cost here. What was it? Cost. Okay. As a cost field format in currency with 2 decimal places. Okay, it's already been done. You did it in your thing, but let's do it again. You go to properties. Okay. And has it got anything that you can do here? Can't do it here. Okay, so you already did it. You made all the currency pounds and 2 decimal places. Remember in your, when you went home, view and design view, when we imported the table. Okay, so it's nothing you can't do there. Maybe if I go into another, let's have a look here. Okay, make sure you know, and then you can go into format, okay? Don't be in the design view. And what did they want? They wanted a currency. It's already set at 2 decimal places. Okay, so there we go. Close it. What else did they want you to do here? As the cost field, okay, shows only the field's category country. So let's start from the back. They only want category, country, Okay, there was a category country code, products, stock, reorder, price. Oh, okay, so they don't want anything else. They don't want this, they don't want this, and they don't want cost. Even though you had to make that new thing. Oh, and they want cost. Sorry, they do want cost. Okay, shows only the records where the stock is less than 50. Okay, so where's stock? Stock is less than 50. Can you see the less sign? The big mouth is pointing towards the 50. It's full. Can't take any more than 50. The mouth is only big enough to take 50. Well, less than 50. 50, less than 50, okay? Because bigger than 50, the mouth will be pointing away from 50, and it wants to eat more. And the product is not special order. We know special is Boolean, and let's go and see what was our Boolean. Just all you have to do is click on there. What was Boolean? Was it NO or was it just no? Let's go on to our table. Is that our table? And special is N. Can you see that? Okay, so we go view, design view. Click on our query, and special was no. Okay, fits on a single page wide, we know that's a report. As a page orientation of landscape, we know that's report. Sort the data into ascending order of product. Okay, so where's product? Sort, ascending order of product. So the data calculates the total cost of the order below in the cost column. You know that you're doing the report, that's where you go right click, total value, and you can do it. As a total cost form and currency, 2 decimal places already been done. As a label is in your report, includes the title, that's in your report, has your name, center number in your report. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so there we run it. Okay, let's have a look. Have we got all the no's here? That must be all the no's. Bankrupt, burn on the top. Does it give us a hint here? What must be in the top? See there, it's telling you. Bang, knock, burn at the top. Bang, knock, burns at the top. We know our query is correct. Okay, then we go create, and we go to report. Same one, click create on your report, save it, yes, go okay. There's our report. What must our report heading? The title. Title is right on top. Okay, so supplier order list, you put that in the top. Title always goes to the top. It's like a title of a book or something. Okay, that's the title of the report. Okay, supplier of the order list. Okay, what else did it say? It's a page orientation of landscape. Page setup. Click on landscape. Can you see that? Sorts, okay, it fits on a single page. Yes, it fits. So how do we make it fit on a single page? Can you see it doesn't? That's the end of the page. You still got stuff on the other side. All you have to do is click on these things here, pull them in, pull it down, make sure this doesn't happen. Okay, if you see that, you know your column is too thin. Okay. We'll bring that in a bit. Reorder price, you can bring in a bit. And let's see if it fits now. Cost is right. And what the heck's going on this side? Your code. Code's a bit too big, don't you think? Oh, it must be country. Country is too big. So can you see how you manipulate everything so that everything fits on one page? And now you can see everything fits on one page. Okay. Did they say anything? As the total cost formatted into currency with 2 decimal places. Okay, quite cool. Click on cost. Can you see there? Right click and total cost, and you click on sum, and what happens? It puts the total cost at the bottom. Can you see there? You don't have to worry about formulas. Everything's there. Okay, now they want includes the as a label, cost of stock order. Here must come a title, cost of stock order over here. How do you do that? You go home, go to view, design view. Always work in your report footer. Okay, when it comes to the formulas and the titles. You click on the capital A, okay. If they want your name, which they do, they want it in the page footer, it always goes in page footer. It always goes here. Or in your heading, okay. Let's see what they want. Let's put in here. Cost of stock order. Can you see that? As a label. To the left of the total cost. So you put it in here. Cost of stock order. Where do they want your name? On the left in the footer. Can you see there's a footer? They want it in the left in the footer. They don't want all these stupid stuff. All you do is click on A. Make sure your thing's all the way back. And you do that. And it's a bit small. So you grab it. You make it a bit bigger so that you can do your thing. Okay. Go A. Put it in there. There you go. Joe P. BH019. And there it is. Can you see that? Okay. It says save. So you right click on there. You go save. Query 2. Yes. Let's go and have a look what it looks like. Does it look quite cool? Yes. Order list. Look at the price, the cost. There's your cost. Added it all up. Cost of stock order. And everything looks good. You can read everything. There's a little problem. Can you see this? Oh, that was my wrong typing. I typed this in twice. Okay, you won't do it. It's my problem. So, cool. Okay, so that's cool. Then you print it. You go File, Print. Just go look at print preview. Make sure it's all cool. And it looks cool. It's landscape. You can see there. You click on Print. Okay. Make sure your name and everything's in it. There it is. And your name is all there. Okay, close print view. So that's quite cool. What's the next thing we must do? Let's make this bigger so you can see. Okay, what's the next thing we must do? Produce a new report from all the data. Okay. Shows only the records which contains the word as a page orientation of portrait, containing only the fields code, product, price, and stock. You sorted, and this is quite easy. It's just another report they want you to create. Okay, so all you got to do is just that one. Create. Okay, another query design. Go add. There it is. Click on it. Go down. Go shift. Bring it in. Okay. Shows only which contains the word, shows the records which contains the word decaffeinated. Okay, so let's click on this on our table. In product, okay, so it must contain the word decaffeinated. Okay, so that's quite easy. So in product, you do this. You press down Shift and 8. Shift 8 and a star will appear. And you type in decaf. And you must spell it right, otherwise it's not going to work. See there, ready. One spelling mistake from yours truly. What must have it? Decaffeinated. Okay. Okay, and then Shift 8 when you finish. Make sure you spelled it right, otherwise copy and paste it from your original spreadsheet. So like this decaffeinated, that's what you're going to type in. Like decaffeinated. As a page orientation or portrait, shows only the fields. Shows only the fields, code. So they don't want category. They want code, product. They don't want stock. Oh, price and stock. They want code, product, stock, and price. Why do they write it differently? They don't want reorder. They want price. They don't want special. They don't want nodes. Okay, so that's what they want, just 4 fields. Price, stock, product, and code. Okay, it's sorting to descending order of code. That's quite easy. Click on there, go descending order, click on that, and there you got it. Okay, so there you go. You go create. So you've got it, sorry. Go to design, and you go run. Up, and there's the problem. What did I do wrong here? Like decaffeinated. So there must be something wrong with this spelling, okay? So all you do is you go to your table, and you go and look for something that's got decaffeinated in it. Well, there's nothing there with decaffeinated. So it's more than likely got to be somewhere in here. So it's going to be in your notes. Okay, so let's go and see if we can do this. Design view. Sorry. Go to your query. Cut this out. Okay, I'm just going to do that. Don't worry about me. I'm going to put it in. Go to your notes. Control V. And let's see what happens. Let's type it again. Okay, like. Shift 8 decaffeinated. Do you see what happens? My query didn't work. I don't just leave it. I go and find out why it didn't work. Go there, like decaffeinated, and let's see if it runs. If it doesn't run, then I'll give up. And there it is. Can you see there? Decaffeinated appeared in your notes. So be careful. These people try and trick you out, okay? Descending order is again descending from the highest to the lowest. Yes, it is. Okay, save the data in a form that can be imported into a text document. Okay, so what do they want? They want you to save it in a Word. Can you see that? Save this data. You go to external data, you export in it. Export it into Word. Okay, where are you going to export it to? Your folder. Okay, did you see what I did? I went to external data, export, not import, export. Query 3, I'll make it query 3, and you say open this once you've exported it. Why? Because you want to put your name in the header. There it is. You go to insert, you put your name in the header. Where's header? Okay. Click on the 3, always click on the 3, it just helps you with alignments. And you go Joe B, and you put your BH019, and you click on your student number. Okay, can you see that? And you close. And there it is. Okay. And then you save it. Keep on saving it. Okay. File, save as, in your folder, and you save it as queries, whatever you called it. Okay, so there it is. Okay. And there's everything. What's the next thing you got to do? Using the file nhcharts.csv, create a comparative vertical bar chart to show the number of sales in each product, including data from May to December only. This country has the access to show the name of the month and the value access. Okay, so that's quite easy. Using the file, where do you find it? You find it in your folder. Okay, so let's go and find it. Okay, let me go and find it. what's it called? N8 chart. Can we see N8 chart there? What's it called? N8 chart. N8 chart. Must be in that one. There it is. Okay. So there it is. And there's the data. Okay. N8 chart. What do they want me to do? They want us to do something. I don't know what. Let's read. Okay. Create a comparative vertical bar chart to show the number of sales of each product per month, including the data May to December only. So they only want May to December. Okay. So what are we going to do? How do we do that? Number of sales. Where are the sales? Oh, okay. May to December. That's quite easy. You just do that. Okay, so they want May to December. You highlight May to December. Can you see that? May to December. You go insert. You go there. There's a vertical bar chart. Okay, what do they want? The category axis should show the name of the month and the value axis. Okay, for the number of sales. Okay, so that's quite easy. You go into layout. Can you see there? Okay, so we've got the month. Okay, so what you're going to do? Axis titles. Okay, go there. You got horizontal, which is left to right. Vertical is this one. That's vertical. That's horizontal. So let's do the horizontal one first. Below axis, can you see there? Comes up the same month. From May to December. Okay. What you're going to put on here, you press enter. Well, you don't really have to press enter, sorry. You just go out of there. Okay, and on this one, you're going to click on layout again, and axis titles. Now we're going to go vertical, and we want vertical there, and there you're going to put in, okay, and there you're going to put in amount. Okay, A-M-O-U-N-T. Can you see the amount? Okay. Did they want the... Okay, they want the chart title. So you click on there. Did we give it a chart title? Chart title must be sales last year. Sales last year. Can you see that? Month. Oh, okay, I did it wrong. I put my own stuff in there, and they want that. They want you to put that in. Okay. So that's all they want there. Month must be center. Put it in the center. Month, and what do they want here? Numbers sold. Sorry, I didn't read. Here you go. Numbers sold. Okay, can you see that? And there it is. Okay, and this is the legend. Can you see there? So the legend, you can say in your legend, what must it be? Blue is, go to layout. Okay, click on legend. Okay, on the right, and select data. It doesn't want to say. Oh goodness. All I want to do is make the blue one say, there you go, insert a text box. Put a text box here. The blue one is inside the text box. The blue one is number sold. Sold. Okay. Okay, so there we go. There's your chart that you created. Okay. You click on it. You go copy. And you put in your evidence document. Okay. Oh my soul. Not what I wanted. Didn't tell you to go there. Put in your evidence document. There it is. Okay, is your name on the top. And you save it. Okay, minimize it. That's the end of that.